Based on the Morgan Stanley's market report, there will be 85 CAGR start from 2023 to 2027 for inference AI semi, compared with GPU solution up to 2027. The market share of the inference AI chip, which is our solutions, can eating out more than 50% of the market share of the GPU solution. So I would say that with the GPT, the boom up of the GPT application, let's say it's too costly right now. It costs like $5 billion a year and 179 megawatts generated by GPU. And for the Kneron's case, we have a proven case that in Quanta's server using NPU can significantly reduce up to 75%. So first, we have a commercialized proven case. Second, it's happening because it's too costly for a GPU solution. So that will force people to switch into the more low cost and more easy to accessible and even more green solution, which is NPU.
So I know you focus a lot on automotive with this latest funding round as well. Who's buying your chips at the moment?
We have a couple of the leaders in different verticals. For example, in server, we have Quanta, and also Zhonghua Telecom, one of the largest telecom company in Taiwan, and also Naver, the largest search engine in Korea. And surveillance, we have Hanwha, that's the fourth largest surveillance company globally. And in auto, we have aftermarket through the JVC who sell to leader Japanese auto player. We also have a German player working with us, and also Fastcon's MIH platform.
Albert, sticking with the auto industry, there is so much hype around autonomous driving, but it still feels quite a ways off. What is needed from the chip industry to make autonomous driving a more mainstream reality?
I would say make it to be more smarter, which is like GPT level. So it's worth to mention 2 years ago, Kneron is the very first company on the market to provide a transformer solution. So GPT represent for generated pre-trained transformer. So the transformer engine is the key. We can tell like GPT is significant, much smarter than the AI engine before, right? So using the transformer-based AI solution to support the vision-based, people say that that will enhance at least 30% of the accuracy compared with CNN, which is the previous AI engine. And also many people say that transformer probably will be the key to make the real self-less driving car happen. And we are the one who can provide a solution right now.
Albert, fascinating. Let me just ask you a quick question. Do you manufacture your chips in Taiwan? Is it TSMC that fabricates them?
Yes, TSMC are from.
Okay, are you not concerned about the level of concentration around TSMC and the fact that so many chip makers like yourself also have their chips being fabricated by TSMC in Taiwan, that's becoming the center of a geopolitical story that could be played out there?
Yeah, Kneron has, of course, the more advanced technology foundry. TSMC probably is the only choice, but at the same time, we also have a type of chip, the older technology in like Global Foundry and UMC. But even for TSMC, they have some foundry in like Europe, Japan, and also American. And I would say that start from next year, we will have some more distributed location foundry, even is in TSMC, but probably is in US or in Europe to de-risk any possibility.
Well, just taking that one step further, it sounds like you are taking measures to diversify your manufacturing base anyway. Taiwan clearly has been the dominant force in the chip space. Is it realistic to envision the U.S. or potentially mainland China taking a leading role in actually competing with Taiwan or usurping Taiwan in future years as the center of the chip-making world?
For time being, I would say everyone know that Taiwan is really critical for whole global semi industry, right? So it's not only TSMC; they have ASE, which is the largest testing and packaging company, and also the Nanya and Unimicron, which are the largest and second largest substrates company. So the whole ecosystem in Taiwan is quite strong. I would say for the next 3 to 5 years, there is no visibility that other countries can build a seamless whole semi-industry supply chain as mature as Taiwan. So, but definitely, I think every country noticed this potential risk. And you can see that not only US, but also Europe are trying to build their own ecosystem. And Kneron is closing watch the whole trend and also try to find other possibility too.
Albert, quick one. Foxconn is a major investor. Just tell us what you two are doing together. Foxconn's pushing heavily into semiconductors. What are we expected to see from this partnership?
Yes, I think we closely working with Foxconn start to 3 or 4 years ago, and it's not only semiconductor but also the whole ecosystem in EV, and also Foxconn they have a auto player platform which we call the MI-Edge. And also, Foxconn is the largest servers OEM ODM in GPT level AI server. So we have a quite strong partnership and not only focus on one specific vertical.